The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing the video on the BlackBerry Key 2 LE guys. So I'm on BlackBerry's website here, and y'all guys see the phone right there in front of you. So it says an icon for all. So there's the phone right there. It's available in 3 colors: black, champagne, and red there. So it looks very nice there. It looks like the Key 2 obviously, but the Key 2 LE has slightly lesser specs. So there's the phone right there with the keyboard and all that good stuff. The iconic keyboard. So yeah. So this got announced at E5 2018. Holy shit. So there's the BlackBerry right there. Here's the back of it there, guys. It's 3 vibrant colors. There they are: slate, champagne, and atomic. So this is slate, champagne, and atomic. So yeah. It says device colors may vary depending on model and region. All offerings are subject to availability, which may vary depending region. Alright. Soft texture back for a better grip, so that's good. So the back of the phone has like a textured grip to it, so it'll be easier to hold in the hand and stuff like that. So that's a definite one right there. It has a iconic U-shaped with a physical keyboard and 4.5-inch display, same as the BlackBerry Key 2, of course. Like I said, this has slightly lower specs than the Key 2. So yeah. That's the phone right there, the keyboard and all that. Ultimate privacy. Real-time threat monitoring with pre-installed DTEC by BlackBerry provides you proactive security, store content security with fingerprint and passcode protection from the Locker app featuring Firefox Focus for private browsing. That's a pretty cool browser there. I've tried it out myself and it's a pretty cool browser. So yeah. So this is the apps that they have Reactor, Locker, DTEK by BlackBerry, Firefox Focus, BlackBerry Privacy Save. Alright. Full power for 4 days. Have enough power to get through a full day on a single charge. When you need power fast, Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 gives you a 50% charge in just 36 minutes. Contextual battery experience learns your usage patterns and suggests the optimal time to recharge. Alright. So it has a 3000 mAh battery, Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, and it has 22 hours of mixed usage there. Alright. Optimized with Android, of course, Android 8.1 Oreo. Says enjoy a faster operating experience and millions of apps on Google Play. It has Google Assistant, of course. Search the web with voice commands. Control your smart home. Start calls, set reminders, and more. So yeah, it has Android 8.1 Oreo. I do expect this one to get Pi later on. Balance work and play. Dual accounts. The new dual account feature lets you choose apps. The new dual account feature lets you clone apps with a single drag and drop, then switch between personal and professional accounts with ease. Dual SIM models allow for a separate instance of phone numbers tied to apps. Currently available for Instagram, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and WeChat. Alright. Effortless efficiency. Okay. It's a speed key. Give you immediate access to what you need. Up to 52 programmable keys. Put apps and actions in reach at any time with no need to return to the home screen. So the speed key is right there on the keyboard, so You can program it to anything you want. So that's a win. Capture the moment. Oops. Says a dual rear camera allows the BlackBerry Q2 LE to create stylish portraits with bokeh, while the front camera helps you take stunning selfies with face beauty mode. Google Lens enables you to explore the world around you with image recognition features. So this does have Google Lens on there, so it's a win. It does have dual cameras on back, 13 and 5, and it has an 8 megapixel front-facing camera. Right? It says work and achieve immediately. BlackBerry Q2 LE is instantly compatible with most enterprise environments. Android Enterprise recommended makes it easy to select, deploy, and manage BlackBerry Q2 LE for your organization. Hardened Android software also provides zero guards against threats to your business. Alright, so that's a win. It has zero-touch deployment, compatible with top MDM solutions. Android Enterprise recommended. So yeah, there's a review of the BlackBerry Q2 LE, and let's get into the specs. We saw some of the specs here. It has Android 8.1. I do think this phone will get Pi though, because why not? So yeah, this is actually a lesser version of the BlackBerry Q2, but the specs on this phone are pretty damn good. This is a mid-range smartphone. So yeah, here are the specs. Obviously, it's 100% Android, access to over 8 million apps on the deploy, impact resistant, Corning Gorilla Glass, iconic U shape with physical keyboard, 22 hours of usage battery. So yeah, the height of the fan is 150.25 millimeters. The width is 71.8 millimeters. The depth is 8.35 millimeters. So they got it in millimeters. So yeah, it has a 35 key backlit physical keyboard with integrated fingerprint sensor and the space key. It weighs 156 grams. The touchscreen, of course, dedicated keys, volume up, down, lock, customizable BlackBerry convenience key. And you guys can use it, the BlackBerry convenience key, as a mute key on an active call, right? So the resolution of the phone, obviously 4.5 inches. It's a 3:2 aspect ratio, 434 ppi. It's 1620 by 1080 pixels. IPS LCD panel. OS Android 8.1 Oreo. Of course, I do expect this one to get Pi, like I said. Has 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, or 64 GB of storage. So it'll come in 2 storage options. It has a Snapdragon 636 octa-core processor. Expandable storage up to 256 GB. It has USB-C, USB 2.0, and OTG. Power 3000 mAh battery with 22.5 hours of usage time. Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. So you guys get fast charging on this. Cameras, dual cameras on back there, 205 with dual tone LED flash. HDR 4K video recording at 30 frames. Scan, private, capture, portrait, bokeh. 13 megapixel. Has face detection, autofocus, 8 megapixel. It has dual cameras on back there, 205. There's your camera features there for the rear camera. It has an 8 megapixel front facing camera, selfie flash using LCD, 1080p video recording at 30 frames. Multimedia, there's your multimedia things there, your formats, pre-installed apps from BlackBerry. There's a lot. You have BlackBerry Keyboard, BlackBerry Hub, BlackBerry Hub Plus service, Content by BlackBerry, Context by BlackBerry, Notes by BlackBerry, Task, BBM, GTEK by BlackBerry, BlackBerry Device Search, BlackBerry Launcher, BlackBerry Password Keeper, BlackBerry Power Center, BlackBerry Productivity Hub, Productivity Tab, BlackBerry Notable, BlackBerry Privacy Shade. Alright, there's all the BlackBerry apps. The Android apps, you guys got all the Google apps here, like the Google Chrome, Gmail, Google Maps, YouTube, Google Play Store, Google Drive, Play Music, Play Movies, Duo, Phone, Play Services, and Core Services, Google DTS, Android WebView, DRM, Google TalkBack, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Translate, Messages, News and Weather, and Wallpapers. Other apps on the phone, you guys have downloads, BlackBerry Camera, BlackBerry Preview, Convenience Key, Phone Setting, Battery Boost, Locker, FM Radio, BlackBerry Content Transfer, BlackBerry Help, Calculator, Sound Recorder, Setup Wizard, Support Center, Clock, and File Manager. Alright, so you do have a lot of apps on this phone. You have your vibration and alerts. You have turn, vibrate, on screen, or RGB LED indicator. I think it has a notification light, I think. Networks and connectivity. This is a lot of shit here. Networks, there. It has. So there's a lot of shit here. It has quad band, GSM. I don't think it's a CDMA version. So if you guys were to get this phone unlocked and use it here in the US, you guys can only use it on AT&T and T-Mobile, not Sprint or Verizon. Wi-Fi connectivity, you guys have 802.11 ABGN, dual band Wi-Fi, of course. You guys have 802.11 BGN 2.4 GHz, 802.11 A and 5 GHz, 802.11 AC, 5 GHz 4G mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi direct, FM radio, Bluetooth 5.0, low energy, NFC, GPS, GLONASS, and all that shit. Preload of Google Maps is on there. Your sensors, you guys have fingerprint, which is the space bar, accelerometer, magnetometer, I guess, which is interesting. Something about magnets there. Gyroscope, proximity, ambient light, Hall effect. I'm not sure what the fuck that is. And you guys can buy this phone now. I think when this phone comes out, it's supposed to come out in late September. It's gonna be available in two storage options: $399 for 32 gigabytes, $449 for 64 gigabytes. So it comes with 4 gigabytes of RAM and 8.1 Oreo. Comes in 3 colors. You got black, champagne, and red. They look very nice. It looks very nice. It just has like basically a red trim, champagne trim around it. So this is basically a BlackBerry Key 2 with flasher specs, and it's cheaper. It has a Snapdragon 636. It's octa-core. So you're not getting the 660 like you did in the Key 2, but the price is cheaper. You're still getting all the BlackBerry features on this phone, of course, the BlackBerry security and all that. If you guys want to try out a BlackBerry Key 2 and you guys don't want to pay a whole lot of money for it, get the BlackBerry Key 2 LE for $399 for 32 gigs or $449 for 64 gigs. I don't know what LE stands for. If you guys know what LE stands for, let me know. I think it's a limited edition. I don't know what LE stands for. I'm just taking a guess. So it's kind of interesting that they put LE in the name. I don't know what it stands for, but the phone looks it looks very nice. It's dual camera setup in back, 4K videos and all that stuff. Type C, fast charging, Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0. This phone looks very nice. Like I said, this is a watered down version of the Key 2, but the price is cheaper. But specs on this phone are pretty good. This is a mid-range smartphone. The specs on here are not that bad. They're not terrible. Okay, they're not terrible. They're pretty good. So yeah, this is the BlackBerry Key 2 LE. It's coming out next month. I don't know if we'll get a US release or not, so don't hold me to that. If you guys want to get this phone in the US, you guys can buy this phone on locked or whatever, and use it on AT&T and T-Mobile, or any carrier that uses T-Mobile and AT&T towers like Cricket, Mitch PCS, Straight Talk, Simple Mobile, H2O, T-Mobile Prepaid, Walmart Family Mobile, and any GSM carrier. Alright. So there it is, guys. BlackBerry Key 2 LE. It's coming out next month. Available in 2 storage options: 32 gigs for $399, 64 gigs for $449, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.